Most people won't admit that selling digital products and making real money online is actually only easy if you understand where to promote your products. Because if you don't, you'll probably find yourself posting every single day on Instagram or trying to create 3 to 5 reels a day on TikTok and getting absolutely nowhere. You're gonna feel burnt out, you're gonna feel completely overwhelmed, and you're gonna feel like you want to give up. So how do I know that? Because I felt those exact same things until I discovered text-based platforms like Threads, and it absolutely changed the game when it came to marketing my digital products. I went from struggling to making $10,000 on Instagram, to making $60,000, to making $100,000 on Threads. So same products, same offers, and same expertise. The only difference, the platform and the strategy. Now you might be thinking, Thread is just another social media platform where you have to post constantly and pray for engagement. And well, technically it is, but it is also so much more than that. It's actually a secret weapon that a lot of digital product sellers are not talking about online and certainly aren't giving you the complete system for free. So in this free training today, I'm going to show you not only how to create viral Threads posts, but also how to repurpose your existing content and how to actually get Threads working for you and driving actual sales. So my promise to you is that by the end of this video, you'll understand exactly how to 10x your digital product sales using Threads. So let's get into it. The first thing you need to know is that Threads isn't actually a social media platform like Instagram or TikTok. It's actually a discovery platform, which makes it really easy to get your post in front of people and actually get them to click through to your product pages. Because all you have to do is understand buyer psychology and create content that speaks directly to their pain points. The truth is that with TikTok or Instagram, you're actually competing with very experienced content creators in a very saturated space. But Threads is different. It's literally the biggest untapped opportunity for digital product creators on social media right now. So instead of chasing people down with aggressive sales pitch, Threads attracts the right people who actually relate to your struggles and need your digital solutions. These are people actively looking for solutions to problem your digital products solve. Plus, you can add direct links on Threads. So you can literally link your Gumroad, your stamp store, or your digital product page directly in your Thread post. So somebody reads your story about how you organize your entire business with a Notion template. They're interested, they click the link right there in the thread, and they buy. It really is that simple. So you don't need fancy equipment, you don't need video editing skills, and you don't need to show your face if you don't want to. Just your story, your solution, and your digital product. But here's the thing that blows my mind. It's not about followers and it's not about having a massive audience. It's about having the right audience who actually needs what you created. So I was personally able to make $100,000 in 30 days using Thread as my main marketing strategy. And then I spent some marketing dollars for retargeting. I spent about 10% of that. So just strategic storytelling that positioned my digital product as the natural solution. And the best part, once you understand the system, you can sell any digital product. Whether it's template, courses, spreadsheets, Canva designs, Notion systems, Figma files, whatever you want. Now, here's where it gets really powerful for digital product creators specifically. So step 1, mine your best content for proven winners. Instead of spending hours trying to come up with viral content that somehow subtly mentions your digital products, I'm going to show you a strategic repurposing system that turns your existing content into high converting thread post. And you can also schedule your threads in advance and batch create your entire week's content for all your digital products in just one sitting. This way you can focus on day-to-day business activities that matter more. So your first step is to identify your best performing content from other platforms. So use your landing page copy if you have it, use your sales emails, use your Instagram captions where you shared your journey. Now, if you don't have any existing content at all, here's what you need to understand. You can't just ask ChatGPT to write 21 posts promoting your Notion templates and expect magic to happen. That's not how it works. ChatGPT needs information. It needs your story, right? It needs your transformation. It needs your unique angle. It needs to know who your ICP is. So if you don't have that yet, honestly, you're watching the wrong video. So before you can market anything on Threads, you need to know who you want to sell to, what you want to sell, and why people should buy your product. That clarity is your content piece. So if you're at that stage, pause this video and work on your foundation first. Write out your story, How did you go from struggling with the problem to solving it? What was your breakthrough moment? Write out your transformation. Where were you before? Where are you now? What changed? And write out your unique angle. What makes your solution different from the 50 other Notion templates or ebooks out there? And once you have that, even if it's just a few paragraphs on a Google Doc, feed that into ChatGPT. And that will become the foundation that ChatGPT uses to create posts that could sound like you and actually will convert into sales. Because here's the truth. The posts that make money aren't just clever hooks and trending formats. Not just that. You need to also include your story and you need to also include buyer psychology. Now, for people who do know what their final goal with their business is, use that vision as content. So I usually use my YouTube videos as they're the most in-depth piece of content that I have. So you'll see from my YouTube analytics right here, I have videos that go closer to 10,000 views. This video also has great engagement and a lot of people bought my mini product from this video, which means that when I repurpose this content for threads, there's a much higher chance of it resonating because the data already proves that people care about those topics. Now, for this example, I'm actually going to show you how I took one of my best YouTube videos about the trust bridge strategy, and I turned it into 7 different thread posts that generated me thousands of sales. So I'm going to walk you through my exact process. So the first step that I want you to do is actually review your own content or read your own blog post and extract the core insights. What you need to do is identify what's the main problem that the content actually solves, right? So for my Trust Bridge video, the problem is that people are trying to sell high ticket offers to cold audiences and they're failing. And you'll see all these insights, I can actually extract them from just one video. The hook, the transformation, the specific outcome, the key mistake people are making, and then the solution that I provided. So these are all the insights that you can turn into separate thread posts. So once you extract these insights from your content, Thread is actually going to reward you for posting consistently about topics that your audience cares about, right? It's gonna look at the engagement. So here's where my video talks about the psychology of trust, right? I can create a thread specifically about this topic. And where it talks about the 3-tier offer system, I can create another thread post about that. And so this is a really easy way to know exactly what content you should be creating on Threads. Another great tool, and I use this every single week, is my custom ChatGPT, and I call the thread content generator, which you can actually access inside my sales boosting formula mini guide. So it's specifically trained on viral thread content and digital product marketing. And this will help you take your existing content and turn it into high converting thread posts that sound like you, not like ChatGPT. Step 2. Feed everything into your custom ChatGPT. So now it only takes a few minutes to use, but it's incredibly powerful. So once you extracted all of your insights, you need a place to actually organize them because you're going to use them to create multiple posts. Remember, if you skipped the foundation work that I mentioned earlier, go back and do that first. So ChatGPT can only work with what you give it. So in my content system, I will put my core insights, I will put the hooks that I want to use, the supporting points, and the call to action. So if I have lots of different content pieces that I want to repurpose, I can organize everything by topic. So for this Trust Bridge content, I might have the psychology angle, the pricing strategy angle, or the funnel structure angle. Different angles, different posts, and then I can create multiple thread posts from one concept alone. Now, all I need to do is to give my ChatGPT all my content and ask it to write viral thread posts for me. And then the ChatGPT is already trained on all my viral thread posts and all of my experience and all of my examples. So it's going to help you create actual engaging thread content very, very quickly. So this way, I stand out from all the standard ChatGPT robotic and generic posts that just don't convert. And you can make a simple version of ChatGPT for yourself. So simply add details about your ideal customer, what's your core insight, what tone of voice are you going for, and do you have any example posts, right? Include those. And the reason why you need to add all of these details is because you want to create content that sounds like you, not just like it was out of ChatGPT, right? So you can give it examples of your best post. And if you don't have any thread post yet, and if you're just beginning, don't worry. You can give it examples from any platform where you have perhaps done written content that performed well. Or you can add sales copy from your landing page or your Facebook ads. So usually what I'll do is I'll create anywhere between 21 to 30 posts in one sitting because it's super easy. And if you are already an established seller, then what you need to do is just simply add more details about your main offer, what's the link that you want to drive the traffic to, and what specific transformation you're promising. So for example, I mentioned the fact that one of my main offer is the AI and threads sales boosting formula for $27. So the transformation is going from inconsistent sales to an automated revenue using threads and AI. This is for folks who are overwhelmed with Instagram, right? And actually inside my sales boosting formula, I've given you prompts and I teach you how to actually create a custom ChatGPT to help you out with everything, right? And by the way, you can also use this exact same strategy to grow other text-based platforms like LinkedIn, Substack, or even X, right? So I've already used this method as well for LinkedIn and I've seen great results. So let me know if you want me to make another video about how to use these custom GPTs with other social media platforms. Step 3, the exact post structure that converts. So let me show you the exact structure that makes these posts actually convert. So let's break this down together. You'll always want to make sure that you start your post with a hook that has an interruption, right? This is how you interrupt the pattern. So for instance, I made 100K in 30 days selling digital products. So here's what nobody tells you about scaling. So see how specific that is. It has a number, it creates curiosity, and it promises insider knowledge. This stops the scroll immediately. Then I provide the credibility anchor. So in the last 90 days, I went from 10K months to consistent 100K month, same products, different strategy. This proves I'm not just providing only theory, I've actually got it done. Then I deliver the core insights. And this is where I give the actual value. Most sellers try to sell a $1,000 program to complete strangers, and that's why they struggle. Instead, I recommend that you start with a $27 offer or a low ticket offer that solves one very specific problem fast. And then you build that trust, and then 30% of those buyers are gonna upgrade to high ticket. So see how this teaches something valuable? This is real insight. And finally, you have a soft call to action. And then I would say, I turn this entire system into a step-by-step formula that you can implement this weekend. And then I would simply include the link. So it's not pushy, just natural. And if they want more, they simply click directly on the thread, right? The structure works because it follows very basic sales psychology. So you hook their attention, prove your credibility, and give them value, and then make an easy offer. Every single post that I create follows this formula. And you can see that in all these 7 posts, ChatGPT helped me generate those, right? Step 4, batch create and schedule your content. Now, here's where it gets really powerful. I don't create content every single day. I batch create everything. So every Sunday, I sit down for 2 hours and create my entire week of threads content. That's exactly 21 posts or more on weeks where I want to push out more content. So I recommend that you post anywhere between 3 to 10 posts per day. And you can actually use Threads built-in scheduling feature, or you can also use a tool like Buffer or Hyperfurry or Black Twist. So I create all my posts in one session. I schedule them throughout the week, and then I'm done. Okay, so now let's talk about something most people completely miss. Posting good content isn't enough, right? You need to train the Threads algorithm to show your content to the right people. And I do this with strategic engagement. Now, while we're here, let me show you a second strategy that honestly is a game changer. So every morning, I spend about 5 minutes engaging on other people's threads in my niche. Not just liking, not just dropping like, oh, great post. I actually provide like real valuable engagement. So if I see somebody's post about struggling with content creation, I might comment something like, I had the same problem until I built a system that works while I sleep, right? So see what I did here? I added real value, but I also positioned myself as an expert. And then 3 things happen. First, the original poster often engage backs, which signal to their audience that I'm worth following. Second, other people reading it might be interested and start actually commenting or clicking on my profile. And then they discover my content and then they perhaps like start following me or actually buying my products, right? And third, the algorithm actually learns what your account is about, and essentially it's gonna bring more accounts that are speaking about the same topic, and it's gonna help you as well rank your post, right? So when I post my own content, the algorithm already knows exactly who to show it to. And I'm not waiting for the algorithm to randomly figure me out, right? I'm training it through my engagement patterns and through what I'm posting, right? So simply 5 minutes a day is going to make all the difference. 3 to 5 strategic comments, that's it. And it's actually one of the highest ROI activities in my entire business. Now, let's talk about how a $27 product generates $100K in revenue, because this is the part most people don't understand. I'm not making $100K by selling like 3,700 units of a $27 product. So I'm making $100K from the automated funnel that starts with a $27 to $47 product. So here's how it works. Like somebody sees my thread, they click the link, they buy one of my product that's either $27 or $47. That's my entry point, right? But that first purchase, it does something critical, right? It crosses a psychological threshold. They're no longer a stranger, now they're a customer. And they've experienced my teaching. They've gotten the results and they trust me. Then they automatically enter my email sequence. So about 30% of people who buy my low ticket product eventually upgrade to my high ticket offer. And the entire thing is completely automatic. So somebody buys at 2 a.m., the sequence starts immediately. They get nurture, they see the upsell, they convert, all while I sleep. So this is the power of the trust bridge strategy. So the $27 product, that's not the business in itself, that's the entry point to the real business. And Threads is a traffic engine that feeds this entire system with the right buyers at the right time. So you can see how Threads can completely transform your digital product business without you needing a massive following or spending hours on content creation every single day. You just need the right system, the AI shortcuts, the psychology-based post structure, and the automated funnels. All right, guys, so if you want the complete systems with all my templates, my prompts, and the custom GPT and how to build your own custom GPT, make sure to grab the sales boosting formula. The link is in the description. And let me know in the comments as well. I'd love to hear from you. Like, are you ready to try Threads for your digital product? Have you started using it? And if you found the information in today's video valuable, hit that like button and drop a comment. Well, I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye, guys.